Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a great weekend. We got new futures contracts for ES and NQ. So we gap up on the ES because it's a new contract. It was closed at 43. Right now is opening at around near 5700. So indicators are a little bit messy on the ES and NQ because of the new contracts, 50 points higher opening. Can't really tell about them. But in general, you can see here daily MACD is golden cross upward, so it's better to look at the SPY and QQQ. Takes few days to get adjusted. Same thing on NQ. Let's go back to let's go to DXY. DXY when made a new low. This one next target to watch is 99,751. If 100 passes and goes below 99,751, it can get even more bullish for market. Just keep in mind, the lower the dollar goes, the higher big caps can run up. 10-year 10-year is continue going lower. Most likely we're gonna have 0.25 or 0.50 cut on Wednesday. We'll see what's gonna happen. It went down, right now it's bouncing up a little bit. Wix 3.5% higher. Pre-market 31 hours upward. Let me change this to 5 minutes. Okay. So it's all about 1726. That's a key level to watch. If it does pass that one, we can run back up to 1764, 1812. Be above that, market can get bearish, more bearish. Right now it's a little bit bearish, but can get more bearish. Watch 1699. If it goes below that, 1639, 1586 next target, and more, and bounce up ahead. SPX is opening flat, so key level to watch there is 5629. If it passes that one, fix this one. So yeah, 5629, 5630. If it passes, we're looking at 5636, 5646, 5657. But supports to watch there is 5619 and 5612. If you can hold it, these two, then we are can go to the lower level 5594, 5584. So we have 2-3 days left until FOMC, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna make a new all-time high and then run up higher, or is it just gonna be like last time, stuck around at consolidation, or is it gonna be some profit locking? So these are just possible scenario that either one can happen. BTC big rundown last night. It was holding up, but then run down again. 1 hour is pointing down, 4 hours curve down. If it dead crosses, not gonna be a good sign. Ethereum 5% lower. This one is more wilder. Oil is a little bit jumping up, bouncing up. Come on, load it up. So daily MACD is near golden cross. Already been like 2-3 days running up. So right now it's coming up more. Let me see. Apple. Oh, and one thing interesting about USD JPY is very interesting. USD JPY is already below the August 5 that market, was going down crazy. But at the same time, DXY is lower. So this is evening out each other. Just keep that in mind. But once if they go opposite way, that's not gonna be a good sign. Just keep that in mind. Apple, some analysis did a smart move. He went on apple.com and he searched all the delivery times for all regions, and he figured out that the demand is low. Demand is lower than last year, and we got a gap down. So 216.23, 214.49, those are the next major supports to watch. If it can hold it and falls more, we're looking at 213, 211, and 210.74 next major level. Pre-market right now, 5 minutes MACD is golden cross. If dip buyers come in, it may recover to 219, 221. Need to pass 221 for recovery, bigger, but doubt today. Pre-market direction on the 15 and the 30, 1 hour and 4 hour is downward, so even if it bounces up, it's possible to fall again. Amazon got close to 190, but then it pulled back. You can see here we got a nice candle, jumped up and pulled back, and 185.35 is a key level to watch. If it can hold it, supports next targets are 180 to 180. Need to pass 188.65 is strong for run up to the next level, which is 190, 192, and 195. Pre-market right now, 4 hours MACD is dead cross, 15.31 hours pointing down, so it's possible to retest 185.35. We'll see if it's gonna pass it or not. But if you see it this week, 188 passes, it can go for a bigger run up. Nvidia gap down 2 points thanks to probably Apple, and all semis are pulling back. 4 hour is that cross on Nvidia. In general, daily MACD is golden cross on Friday, but at the same time this morning we're getting a dead cross on the 4 hour. So key level to watch today is 116.15 or 118.68. Pass either one, bigger move comes. Otherwise, avoid it. 118.68, above that 120, 122, 125. Below 116, 113, 112, and those are the lower level in case it moves lower. AVGO gapping down 2-3 points. It ran up a lot last few days, last maybe 10 days. So this one, time for a break probably. 4 hours curve down, still not dead cross. Pre-market 15-31 hours downward. It's opening below 165.5 level, so next key level to watch is 163.73. If it does pass that one, when we're looking at go back to 161.96, 160.86. Need to get above 166.6 to run up again to 168 and 170. Yep, that's about it. VGO coin was good, but at the same time was not as strong enough on Friday. Even though it ran up, but then it gave all this gain back by the close. And then right now we got a gap down because of the coin BTC going down. So 158.77 if it can hold. Next supports are 156, 154. Need to get above 161 to run up again to the higher level, which is 163, 167, and 171. I like that the daily MACD is curved up, but let's see when it opens how it goes. Netflix is showing a lot of strength actually, hovering around 700. 4 hours very bullish. Earning is coming in 1 month. I think earning is on October 17th. So we're 4 weeks away. Right now it's already start running up, and we're not sure if it's in the middle or end of it, but all-time high is 711. So it's possible to make another all-time high, and then we'll see if it's gonna go for fly up or again fails and go lower. Pre-market right now, mixed signal, kind of flat on the indicators on the MACD, but hovering around 700. So need to watch two key levels, 696 and 703. If 703 pass, we can go to 708. Above that, 711, 717, and 722. If 696 can hold it, retest 690 and 684. Meta was very strong on Thursday, but then Friday gapped down open and recovered. And pre-market right now is kind of flat. So it's hovering around 524. Need to pass 526 for running up to 529, 533. 4 hour, we start getting a dark blue bar, so there is some weakness coming in. And pre-market has some mixed signals. So we'll see. 526 or 522 breaks either one, bigger move comes. Below 522, 520, and 518 next support levels. Tesla, yo-yo actions. 4 hour is dead cross again, and pre-market right now 15-31 hours pointing down. So if 229.27 can hold it, retest 227, 226.39. Below that, those are the next levels to watch. Need to get above 230, 232.15 strong, and then it can run up to the higher level, which is 233, 235, 237. Keep in mind the high of the season was 235, so once we pass that one, it can go for a crazier bounce up, crazier run up again. To Microsoft, nice run up last few days, maybe some breaks for now. 1 hour is pointing down, 4 hours curve down. So all about 430 and 428. If past 430, 432, and then 435 next target. If 428 can hold it, retest 427, 424. Otherwise it's possible to do some consolidation after this big run up. Google, daily MACD is near golden cross. We're getting yellow bar on the TTM squeeze. 4 hours still bullish upward, but pre-market not showing so much strength. But it's still at least holding up. So 157.89 if it passes, then we're looking at 158.65, 159.86. If 156.68 can hold it, then lower level can go. Need to keep an eye on Nvidia and Apple this morning. If they fall more, they can drag market lower. Yeah. AMD, and if you see them bounce back up, then we can go red to green on NQ and QQQ. AMD 2 points lower, 4 hours dead cross, so getting a little bit low. 149.43 if you can hold it. Retest 147.85, 146.86. Need to get above 151 to run up to the higher level again. As always, NQ. I'll show you on the QQQ. SMCI. gap down 10 points. Still no 10k release, so the farther we go, the later they release it, or they never release it, this can go down again. So 440, keep an eye on that one. If you can hold it, 428, 416, 408. Need to get above 456 for running up to higher levels, which are those. Pre-market 15:31 hours pointing down. If the 4-hour dead crosses, can fall again. SPY very flat pre-market. 4-hour is near dead cross. Daily MACD is golden cross confirmed on Friday, and we got a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze. So it's all about levels to watch. So 161.92 and 160.13 key levels to watch. Breaks those, can have a bigger move. Major levels above are 563.72 and 559.02. Breaks both those two, then we have gonna have a bigger move. If 563.72 breaks, then we can go for all-time high, 564, 565, and 566.63. If 559 can hold it, next major levels are 556 and 553. QQQ is pointing down right now. 15:30, 1 hour is pointing down. But keep in mind, even though it's pointing down, if market opens and it jumps up and you see 15 and 30 MACD golden crosses, we can run up and go red to green. But if it breaks already a low of the day, if it does break 470.86, then we are in trouble, and 468.32 can come. Below that, those are the next level to watch. I need to get above 474 for running up to the higher level, which is 476, 479, and 483. I like that the daily MACD is golden cross, so there is still possibility of deep buys opportunities. That's pretty much it on the major names. IWM was nice up, then it pulls back a little bit. Google is trend line crossing. Let me look at Google. It did not. Okay, so yeah, it's crossing this trend line. So if 156.68 passes, then we are in trouble to go to the lower again. IWM was very green pre-market, pulled back a little bit, so 219.42 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 223, 227. If 216 can hold it, those are the next support level. What else you got here? JP Morgan 1 point higher, need to get above 208 for some recovery. Earnings is coming up in October, so maybe have some pre-run up, or maybe lower it goes. What else? MSTR LLY 3 points opening, 3 points higher. 937 is a key level, next key level to watch. That's pretty much it on the major names. All right, thank you so much, and have a beautiful, lovely day.